The Queen has carried out a surprise engagement outside of palace walls in the company of her dutiful daughter Princess Anne. Her Majesty delighted royal fans and dashed concerns over her health as she traveled to Maidenhead accompanied by the Princess Royal. There, the Queen attended the official opening of the new Thames Hospice building. For the visit, the Queen donned a splendid baby blue dress with a white and green floral pattern. She accessorized her outfit with her signature pearl earrings and necklace and black shoes and handbag. Her Majesty, who has been experiencing episodic mobility issues over the past months, walked around the hospice using a light walking stick. Nevertheless, the Queen appeared in great spirits and good health as she chatted with staff members at the hospice. During the engagement, the 96-year-old also met Pat White, one of the patients at the hospice. The monarch was photographed bending down to greet Ms. White, who was sitting on a green chair, and shake her hand. Walking a few steps behind her mother, Princess Anne smiled widely while meeting people involved in the charity and supported by the organization. The nonsense royal donned a checkered outfit and a black bag to mark the royal visit to the hospice. The Queen also unveiled a plaque and sat down to sign the guest book. The head of state and her daughter were gifted 2 colorful posies. The Queen has a strong bond with Thames Hospice, a charity providing palliative care for people with life-limiting illnesses. In November 1987, the monarch officially opened the Thames Valley Hospice at Pine Lodge on Hatch Lane in Windsor. The Queen returned to the hospice in Berkshire in 2002 after the creation of an extension made to accommodate more people. A decade later, the monarch made her 3rd visit to the hospice to commemorate the charity's 25th year. The Queen has been carrying out several engagements in recent weeks on top of her daily duties as head of state. On Tuesday, she awarded the George Cross to representatives of the NHS across the 4 nations. During the poignant audience held at Windsor Castle, the monarch stood without the support of a walking stick and praised the amazing COVID-19 vaccine rollout across the country. In late June, the 96-year-old monarch attended several events during the traditional Holyrood Week, the yearly week of engagements carried out by the sovereign in Scotland. While in Edinburgh, the monarch met First Minister Nicola Sturgeon and attended the poignant ceremony of the keys at the Palace of Holyrood House. Among other engagements, she also attended the Redendo Parade alongside her son and heir Prince Charles. The monarch, who is celebrating this year her historic 70th year on the throne, continues to mix in-person and remote engagements, as she started doing during the pandemic. On Wednesday, she met via video link Dr. Rajendra Singh, High Commissioner for the Company Operative Republic of Guyana, and Thandazile Mbayisa, High Commissioner for the Kingdom of Eswatini. Her Majesty is believed to have started suffering from episodic mobility issues last autumn when she cancelled from her diary all her in-person visits outside of her residence. Her first engagement outside of palace walls since October last year took place in March when she attended the service of Thanksgiving at Westminster Abbey.